Hello students, multiplication table 13. The easy trick is first you have to form the table. Now I am going to fill this boxes. Let me see how to fill this boxes. You start from 1, 2, 3, again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 you will get 10, right? In 10 you have to write only 0. Next, I go to place the 10th place, right? So, write 1, start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you should skip 4, you should not write 4, you should skip 4. Next, 5, 6, 7, you will get 8, you should not write 8, you have to skip 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, you should not write 12, you should skip 12. After 12, you will get 13. So, this forms the multiplication table 13. Now, I am going to take this answers and copy here. 13 1 is 13. 1, 3. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 52. 13 5s are 55. 13 6s are 78. 13 7s are 91. 13 8s are 104. 13 9s are 170. 13 10s are 130. Let's say the table now. 13 1 is 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 52. 13 5s are 65. 13 6s are 78. 13 7s are 91. 13 8s are 104. 13 9s are 117. 13 10s are 130. This is the easy trick for writing the multiplication table 30. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel eMath tutorial. Thank you.